guys, we're just waking up. We've been asleep for like 9 hours. It's so tight. Mark was literally kicking me all night. I'm like pegged up against the wall. Yeah, this van is small. We're kind of just like in the middle of this person's house too, so we gotta get up and move this thing.
Yeah, it's nice in here.
We had the heat on all last night? It must have been cold then.
Well, I mean, it wasn't like running all the time.
We're getting motivated right now, and we're probably gonna go try to find like a warm store to sit in. Made the classic mistake last night, leaving my wetsuit out to dry. Just iced up instead. We're thinking of actually leaving the board bags here for now, because if we put them inside the van, it's just gonna be really wet in there when the snow melts. Welcome to the Arctic winter phase of the trip. There's a lot of sunlight now, but it's still very much winter.
Make sure you don't back up onto our boards.
Mark's in the back right now.
Yo.
Oh, there he is.
Am I driving?
Yeah, Ben's driving
Mark,
as
ready?
usual.
Ready.
Secure
My
yourself
hat,
for
dude,
travel.
right up there. Lucas, please. The yellow one. And the orange.
Yeah, we got it. You gotta get the top thing in. Guys, everywhere in this town is closed, and it's so windy and cold out, so
Crazy.
we might just be hanging in here together. Alright guys, so this lady in the hotel gave us like some hospitality and let us stay there this morning even though they were closed, and I kind of realized like why I loved it here so much and why I came back. I wasn't even sure why I came back, but like, this wind is so like, disheartening. This wind is so bad, but I just love it here. I love the people here, the generosity. This is the side of Iceland that I didn't learn about my first trip here. Just winds cranking everywhere, van too small, spooning with 2 other adult males. But I just love it still. Like, this is just so cool. Yeah, I don't really know what the tide is, and all the websites say different things for the tide. So we're rolling up to this spot, and I'm looking out the window.
Should we wait here?
And yeah, we're just hoping there's like big surf, because the swell's massive right now. It's like a huge swell, like a 15-foot, it's like a 5-meter swell it's saying, but somehow it's only like chest high. So we could roll up and it could be like cranking right now, or it could be waist high again. So let's see. It is so cold. Why didn't I wear my jacket?
Oh, that's it, right there, dude.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Left, left, left. Nice face. Along with the wind. A lot of...
Hey, you wanted to come here and surf alone, right?
Dude, look at this. Look at that.
That's a big stack. And the big ones, you can make it around. See, you can like just keep going. Look at this one. This one's gonna go all the way down the fjord. No way. Look, that's a long ride. It's gonna get better too. It's gonna like double up somehow.
Brought me all this way to leave me here. I could have just stayed without you near. I have found back home. Even though no place feels quite like home, drag me through the dirt, I'm not alone. Treat me like I were a rich kid's toy, and I can't understand it anymore.
We are coming in from not the van right now. The boys broke down and we got ourselves a little place to stay. This feels like a castle. Look at this place. Our spirits are high right now. This is just epic. We got someplace.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. This is epic. So much room. It wasn't even that expensive. So we're stoked. We're going to suit up here and then run down to the water. Not really sure if the tides come in or actually what's happening, but we are in the car. It feels like we're going skiing right now. We got to go get our boards and then, yeah, we're going to go surf. And it's like a full gale. It's like gusting 30s, but somehow it's like clean here. And yeah, let's go do this.
I can't understand it anymore, and I can't understand it anymore. Empty bottles piled right by my bed. The insides have all gone right to my head, and I can't tell the ceiling from the floor, and I can't understand it anymore. I can't understand it anymore. I can't understand it anymore. And I can't understand it anymore.
This is so beautiful. I just keep cracking up because every time I look up, it's like just pounding snow everywhere. Like, look at this. That was so cool. I'm feeling so in tune with the ocean. And I think it's hilarious that like East Coast skiers like pray for this powder. And it's just here for the taking. While we're surfing. I gotta get the snowboard going soon. You know that rock pile?
Yeah.
It surged over it as if this was the car, and Ben was fully on top, and like I was just laughing how much vertical you got. Like you were all up in the air and then the wave surged down.
You caught one, and then I looked back and it was like bomb. Like I'm looking back.
And
like,
we were both in the inside, and I like kind of got out of the way, and I was like making sure Ben was all right.
Can we talk about this on the way over?
And then I started getting just absolutely cranked on too.
What, you did too?
Yeah, I was watching him make sure he's safe, and then I thought I was far enough out, and then it just started breaking on me, and then, dude, he was getting flooded over the rocks, like just sailing as if it was like a whitewater rapid.
Yeah, and what happened to your board?
Oh, it's fucked. I mean, it's not totally fucked, but it's got a bunch of things on it.
Those bomb sets came through. I just got over them. There was like 6 of them, and I know both you and Ben were on the inside.
Well, the wave was fun, but then it was like the big ones came.
Dude, I had such a good time out there. I felt like it was like I was snowboarding those lefts.
Yeah, you were ripping.
Dude, I love that 6.5. That 6.5 feels so good.
What are you doing?
It's like my 35th day in a row of a surf trip, so feeling great in the water pretty much. Can't tell you like how much fun we were having out there. Like that was epic. Felt like I was doing cutbacks and snowboarding. I couldn't get any land footage because the wind was cranking. I tried to set up the camera. It was a perfect wave for it, like point it right to the left. But yeah, the wind was cranking. I didn't want to like lose my camera. It also malfunctioned a little bit, but I'm so stoked on that session. Like that was so fun. I'm just hyped to be in this wetsuit, enjoying life. Yeah, I'm warm. 6'5" mil Icarus. We're stoked, and if that's all we get this trip, that's epic. Tomorrow's never guaranteed, but right now let's go warm up, take a hot shower. We'll see you on the next session.
Hey there, young Groms. We've killed and eaten your host. He was leading us into some gnarlier waters.
Young Groms, he's gone.
We actually got to meet up with and surf with Runar today, and yeah, he invited us to this little like snowboard competition, so we're stoked. We're gonna go watch it. It's gonna be cool. Never been to one of these.
There he goes.
Í öðru sæti er það Kolbeinn, stjórinn, El Hefe með 82 stig. Gefa hann gott klapp. Við sjáumst í Valhall.
We just had a ton of fun at the little like big air competition. It's pretty cool. Saw some people get wet. Now we're headed home.
One guy almost drowned, man.
That was gnarly. I'll just record the whole time because then nothing cool will happen and we'll drive home safe.
Yeah, right on.
Because it's only
Every time you turn that on, there you go.
I don't think it's gonna be that clean tomorrow.
No?
Dude, look at all this wind right now.
Whoa.
Can't see anything.
Christ. Holy shit. Just follow that white line. Oh my god, that white line is wait.
I can see it. That was terrifying.
Yeah, that was horrible.
Like, what did we just go through?
Complete whiteout in the
Was
middle of the night.
Was it worth it to see that guy get stuck in the pond? Yes.
Hell yeah.
We're watching
See
that
the one guy,
we're
the
watching
face
that guy
plant.
face plant on the
That was pretty cool. Dude, that's what I love is that's what people did before TV. They watched their friend faceplant, you know?
Yeah.
Like, that's the entertainment. He's like, yeah, come down. Come down to the thing. It's no big deal. We made it home, and it is absolutely dumping out here. We want to surf tomorrow, but maybe we should get the snowboard out. Dude, look at all this snow. Look at all this. Like, talk about going to Colorado or something. Like, this is awesome. I mean, yeah, this is gnarly, but it's pretty cool.